the traditional market and methods of print and media marketing are dead or dying. They are simple, not as effective as they once were, because we are suffering from the advertising overload. This is not good if your business relies on advertising or marketing, because every dollar spent on traditional advertising is less effective than ever before. In this video, we are sharing 5 types of modern marketing methods that you must need to learn in depth. 1. Pay-per-click marketing. Pay-per-click marketing is an advertising platform where advertisers pay the publishers of their ads for clicking of the ads on their websites. Guests of the website, forum, and social media sites click on the ads, and the advertisers and the publishers to get revenues. This type of advertising platform also requires a certain investment. It is a very cost-effective form of advertisement compared to other forms, but if not used properly, you could be spending more than your return of investment. 2. Article marketing. The use of article marketing online is an effective technique for internet network marketing. The article must be written to promote the production or service in an innovative, clear, and concise manner, and should be focused on solving a problem. The article should not be lengthy or too in-depth, but it must contain several interesting points to attract your target market and offer them some value. 3. Branding. Remember that you are the brand, and people join people, not products. Keep a positive image of yourself forefront in your communication. Branding the most effective marketing method, and it is a way to attract leads to you and retain them over time. Image your list eagerly. Open and read your communication and sought you out to join your opportunity. 4. Social media marketing. This is your ticket to international level fame. Your company or your name could be known throughout the globe with millions of followers and fans. Millions of people can access these sites where people come to communicate online and express their views. Once you step into the world of social media marketing, all of these people become your potential prospects. Your service are merely a signal search away. And 5. Video marketing. It is very effective to use video for online marketing for any business. These videos could be short clips with information about the service or product that you are offering, and must also tell a story and hold someone's attention. When you have interesting and created videos, this will get potential customers more interested in whatever you have to offer. Primarily, you focus on the text video, which gives great information with bulleted talking points, or lifestyle videos, which features you offering quality information for your target audience so they can get to know you. You must need to write a business plan to think more about accurate marketing method for your business. Also, like, share, and subscribe this channel to get future video.